How to send cold DMs on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome to our channel and let's get started. So sending a cold DMs on Instagram involves reaching out to someone you haven't previously interacted with. And to do so, you can simply open up your Instagram and log into your account. Next, once you're logged in, locate the user you want to message. You can do this by searching for the username in the search bar or by finding their profile through hashtags, location tags, or other users' profile. Once you find the user, tap on the user's profile to open it. Now to send a DM, tap on the message button that is usually located near the top of their profile next to the follow button. Now in the message box, write a polite and concise message introducing yourself or explaining the reason for your message. Be respectful and avoid spammy or overly promotional content. And once you've composed your message, tap on the send button, which is usually a paper airplane icon. Tap on it to send the DM, and that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more great contents. Thanks for watching.